So I'm gonna try and make a poor attempt to change out that wheel. I'm gonna try with a spare I have. I might have to cut this all off first. Or not. Oh, bigger one. I don't understand how this continues. Oh man. There we go. Alright. Drop that spare in there. Let me put so this doesn't kind of sort of happen again. I'm gonna just throw some, I don't know. I think something went wrong with, I think it was the bulk that actually had something to do with this. It might have been too tight or too seized. I put this on here. I put this on every mower for this season to track our hours on the equipment, just to make sure that we're doing the maintenance at the proper hours. Oh, this finally has some time on it now. Yeah, this wasn't working. This is for sale. That's for sale. And this one is also for sale, but the auger doesn't work. These are also for sale. These are also for sale. They also come with a plow. So, I don't want them anymore. Those are also for sale. Don't want those anymore either. I'm trying to get rid of like 8 or 9 pieces of equipment. Running out of space in this makeshift shop that I have. But should be alright. So, that's cool. They're normally stacked up, which I'm probably gonna do right now. I'm gonna leave that there. This is also for sale. Otherwise, I'm gonna scrap it because now I have an extra cord. And I've never used it. It's just collecting dust and flying debris oil and everything else. I do apologize for that leaf blower in the back. It's another gentleman blowing dust around. So, what? Get in there. Get in there. All right.